That. All right, testing. Testing. We're about to make the cosmic snack stack.
Ooh.
That's right. We're gonna have 2 medium pizzas. One on the bottom, one on the top.
Yes.
What's in between, you ask? What's in between? Basically a 4, 5, maybe 6 layer tortilla quesadilla in between.
70%
So, yes. So it's essentially, yeah, that cutting. Alright, so essentially it's gonna be medium pizza, 5, maybe 6 layer stack quesadilla, and then another pizza flipped over.
Yeah.
So, boom, it's a cosmic snack stack.
Yeah, and each layer is going to essentially have different ingredients. Like the first layer might have some chicken. And next layer might have some, I don't know, some cheese, some sour cream. I don't know. Next layer might have some
Exactly.
tomatoes.
Every layer is original, unique. That's right.
Yeah, we're throwing some possible Whopper patty in there somewhere.
Chop it up. Yep.
Doesn't matter where, it's just gonna be in there somewhere.
That's right.
Yeah.
Boom.
Okay, so ingredients number 1 is obviously pizza. And then as far as spices, we got Old Bay, we got crushed red pepper, we got garlic, we got cayenne, we got black pepper. As far as the slidey stuff, the sauces, boom, we got organic salsa. Oh yeah, tomato, onion, jalapeno, garlic. What other sauces we got? Boom, we'll add a layer of sour cream in there, slice this. And then, what's that? Is somebody, oh shoot, this is some Taco Bell sauce. Oh yeah. Yep, so we're gonna do that. And then as far as the more solid stuff, boom, we got that chopped up Impossible Whopper. I can't believe it's not meat. That's right. Oh, I forgot another slidey. Boom, we got some sauce, we got some roasted red pepper hummus. Oh, you know it. Alright, so basically later we're gonna chop up some of these, and then we're gonna toss it around with the already grilled fajitas. Check. Yeah, it's gonna taste real nice. The fajitas gonna be dancing with the new veg. It's gonna be dancing around for a little while. And then boom, we got some organic black beans. So yeah, we're gonna layer this up. We're gonna toss some cheese around it. It's gonna go all over the place. And then boom, one layer at a time, we're gonna smack that in there. Flip it around. Oh, hey, that's great. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. And well, let's get to it. Alright, let's get to it. Yeah.
Alright guys, I forgot what a strainer was called, so I may have called it one of those bowls with holes. Strainer.
Yeah, where's the
It's called a strainer. Okay, do we got one?
Don't film me, please.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, light test. Okay, so test. Yep, this is a test. This is good stuff.
Washing off the veggies before we dice them up, cut them up, beam.
And along with the documentary, we're also going on Google Hangouts.
Woo! Put some sort of official, exciting announcement on there.
I'm totally not filming you right now. Alright, I need one of them bowls with holes. Well, Eric, the actual food is not going to be done for a while.
Hold on. Wait, Mike, what? Another great call, and I'm glad I picked up. Alright, see ya.
using a big old fork. It's big. Trust me, it's a large fork.
Compare it with a banana.
Okay. Just to show you that this is a somewhat large fork.
What? Okay.
made. Alright, gotta do the zoom in and turn. Oh yeah. Okay. Boom. Fajitas are popping. Yep. And then we have the avocado and burger, and then mashed up beans, sour cream, and all these spices. Now, the next part is the beans, sour cream, and spices. Alright. Black bean, sour cream.
It looks like he's in a...
It doesn't matter what it looks like. The taste is what matters.
Why is it gray?
It's black beans and sour cream.
Black and white make gray.
Yeah. Tia. It's like perfectly sized. That is beautiful. Okay, next is the tortilla. Next is the Impossible Whopper.
Ooh.
This is the burger patty from an Impossible. Why am I still wearing this?
Oh, you put it in the Whopper?
This is This basically
I like the way you think.
this is a chopped Impossible Whopper burger patty and avocado. Okay. Golden. Alright, what's next on the list?
Oh my god.
Tortilla!
Alright, wait, ours is the quesadilla.
The beans and spices.
Oh yeah, you're
Get
right.
some spices, man.
Yep, good
Hey,
call.
where would you be without me?
Alright, so this is a quesadilla that
That is
is
a thick quesadilla.
this is purely fajitas and,
stop
and
making it.
cheese. Purely fajitas and cheese.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Jesus.
It's like a damn pancake.
Yep.
This thing's gonna be thick.
Yep. Salsa and hummus, and then the other pizza. This is
Salsa and hummus.
This is hummus. This is roasted red pepper hummus and salsa.
Goodness, these are the strangest colors.
We had another medium pizza to just top this off. If only.
Oh yeah, all of this is homemade.
Like, are you gonna put it cheese side down?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, cheese
Yeah.
side. I need 2 hands for this.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
That was beautiful. Good job. That's really good.
Oh my god,
It's
dude.
like a sandwich. Oh, that girl's big.
Yep.
Eric's face, dude.
Are you cutting them with a butter knife?
No, this is from Sharper Image. Oh my god. Let me see this.
Get in there.
I'm in here, bro.
Get in there.
I'm scrolling.
John, your cameraman.
Pull it out.
As I told you before, I wanted it to cool down, but you guys want instant gratification, so here it is. Yeah.
Oh. Sour cream. There's guacamole. Bunch of spices. There's glue. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It's essentially like a calzone, but it's like way more than that.
Just go for it.
Yeah, the question is how to eat it.
I think
Just go for it.
Yes. How is it?
It's really good.
gnarly.
Thanks for joining us.